Good morning. Happy Friday, everyone. I am coming to you very quickly because I have got to go to work. This is a long week of work, let me tell you. So, I am going to share with you one really amazing tip that is going to change the way you do things in your group, but it's going to allow people to see your posts. Okay. So yesterday, there were some changes made to Facebook. One of those changes is in how your Facebook group feed is being seen on the Facebook group app or Facebook app. If you click on the button groups at the bottom, and keep in mind, if you're not in my free community, I posted this last night with screenshots. So if you're not sure what I'm talking about, make sure to click join. I have a link in the top of this page. But here's the quick tip. The way that group posts are being displayed as of yesterday, it shows the post, it shows the person's name that posted it, but it does not show the group it comes from. So your members could be scrolling down and they see a post, but they're not quite sure where this post came from, which group this came from. Here is what I want you to start doing. Start using a hashtag or a series of hashtags at the top of your post. Request that your members use a hashtag. And one group that used to use this all the time that I absolutely love, that I'm going to go back to doing, it was the Screw the 9 to 5 community, which does not exist anymore. But they had hashtags that you had to use in order to post. So the hashtag ask, and the post would be created. Hashtag give is that if you had a tip to give or you had something to give the group, you would hashtag give at the top. So giving your group a series of hashtags that is recognizable to the rest of the community will ensure that your members see that post and know exactly where that post came from. So for me, I will start using hashtags, but I also want to be using the emojis that stand for my group. Those are the things that stand out. So you have to train your group to do this, but if you do this, your identity, your group identity will be so much more defined, and your group will want to look for your posts, okay? So that's a really quick tip. If this tip was helpful to you or you know someone who may need this, please share it. This is a super free tip, super quick, and it's going to be incredibly powerful. So share this tip with whoever needs it. And again, if you're not a part of my community, please click join and be a part of it, because I share all these tips in there, even more detail. And we have fun in there because, gosh darn it, you guys, I teach communities. So have an awesome day, have an awesome Friday, and I will talk at you soon.